Welcome to our step-by-step guide on resetting the Prime Video app on your smart TV. In this video, we'll provide you with easy-to-follow instructions to overcome any issues you might be facing with the app. Follow along as we walk you through the entire process. If you're using an Android smart TV, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings menu on your TV. 2. Select Apps or Applications. 3. Find the Prime Video app and select it. 4. Choose Clear Data and Clear Cache. 5. Restart your TV and try using Prime Video again. Samsung TV owners, here's how you can reset the Prime Video app. 1. Press the home button on your remote. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Select Apps. 4. Find the Prime Video app and select it. 5. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. 6. Restart your TV and try using Prime Video again. Roku TV users, resetting the Prime Video app on your device is a breeze. 1. Press the home button on your remote. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Select System. 4. Choose Advanced System Settings. 5. Select Factory Reset and confirm. 6. Set up your Roku TV again and try using Prime Video. If you have a Fire TV, follow these steps to reset the Prime Video app. 1. Go to the Settings menu on your Fire TV. 2. Select Applications. 3. Choose Manage Installed Applications. 4. Find the Prime Video app and select it. 5. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. 6. Restart your Fire TV and try using Prime Video again. Resetting the Prime Video app on your smart TV can help resolve common issues like freezing, crashing, or problems with playback. It's often the quickest and most effective solution to get your streaming back on track. Thank you for joining us on this tech journey. If you found our tech fixes and guides helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out.